Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today we will talk about the perfect landing page structure. First of all, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and you need to specify specifically for your product, for your service, how this structure looks like. Nevertheless, we have created this bundle with cheat sheets with some of the guidance, some inspiration on how you can and should actually build this landing page, and you can take this as a starting point. So make sure in the comments below in the description to download this cheat sheet bundle. And now what I will be doing is I will be hopping over to our own landing page, magier.com, and I will tell you exactly what our ideas on building this landing page were and why we choose to actually do it like this. And I hope this gives you some context on what you can do for yourself. So if you don't know us, we are a design subscription. So companies can come to us, they pay a fixed monthly fee, and for that they get all of their design work done. We are starting off with our landing page here, and we've been doing a redesign just recently, so I've been putting a lot of thought into that one. So first of all, hero section. In the hero section, we wanted to do a couple of things. First of all, we wanted to start with a strong H1 heading, and basically what we wanted to do here is to say, hey, we are your design provider and we are monthly subscription, so that everyone knows exactly, okay, this is what they are doing. Second up, by using the Figma and Webflow logo, we wanted to refer to something that the people already know. Basically, that they think, okay, I'm using this in my process, in my marketing department. These are the guys that can help me. It also helps us to filter for the right audience, because there are a lot of companies that are working with Canva, for example. We don't want to do this. So this is why we are putting Figma and Webflow logo here. Next up, one thing we wanted to do is social proof, and you will see that all throughout the website. First of all, we are starting off here with a 4.8 stars review, or like rating from Trustpilot, and 50+ reviews. Obviously, the bigger this number, the better, but I think especially in the service business, 50 is already quite solid. Then we are scrolling a little bit down and you can see two things. So first of all, you see the CTA, our main book a demo button, and you can see it also here in the navbar so that people can very, very easily click that one. This one is also in black, so it is a little bit more prominent than the one on the right. And on the right, it's our work. Because we are a design company, people want to see our past work, and you can also see that across the website and even in the hero here. Because with these example images, we wanted to show the different types of graphics that we are creating. So for example, someone is coming onto the website and they are looking for packaging design. They are seeing it here and think, okay, nice. This is for me. I will book a demo. And second up, obviously also the quality of our work. So the people should really see, okay, this is stunning. This is super nice. I want this for my own company. And this is just a little bit of a teaser, but also we realize people want to see more work. So if they click here, they will be redirected to an example work section. Normally now you would get some sort of like trust bar under the hero here, but we decided we wanted to do something different. We wanted to make it more prominent, because we wanted to show the type of companies that we are working with and use them as a social proof, social trust for us. So first of all, we were putting some numbers down here of what these companies look like. And second up, we were showing 6 different companies out of the ones that we are working with. We are showing the industry that they are in. So for example, if you are an AI company or a SaaS company, you see, okay, Magier is working with other AI and SaaS companies. This is interesting for myself. And second up, we also wanted to show the geography and some key stats about the company itself. Obviously, for us, it's super good to work with companies that are unicorns, that have raised a lot of money, because this gives us trust. If they are working with us, maybe the person that is coming to the website should also consider working with us. Then comes a section that I was thinking about for a long time, the problem sections. I mean, a lot of websites these days just leave it out, but I think it was super, super important for us. We wanted to quickly visualize on what are the main problems that you might be having as someone coming to the website, And these are three things. First of all, lack of design capacity. We are showing it with our motion design. Marketing teams just get bombarded with tasks to do, and oftentimes they don't have the resources. The alternatives are agencies and freelancers. And the thing here is that they also have their downside. So we wanted to show that with another motion design. And then last but not least, hiring talent in-house is also not so easy. So here you can see a visual breakdown of how much time hiring takes and why that might not be the best idea. And then we are jumping over to the solution. And here we just wanted to be super bold in your face with the thing that we are doing. So we are saying, hey, this is Magier. We are your team. Also show some personal photos of our team members to have this like authenticity. Expert team, and we take care of all of your design and webflow tasks. These two logos again, in combination with the team, really gives this trust, and then a CTA again. Next up is the how it works section. So here the idea was to visualize very quickly on how all of this works. So step one, subscribe to your team, create requests, review and complete. And then we are always using the real images of our team members throughout the project, because I think in times of AI, it's super easy to just put something out there, but we want to show our character and really all the creatives that are behind our mission. Then next up, after the how it works section, there was something that was super important to us, because we are the one-stop shop for all of the design needs. And the thing here is we could use our demo work again. And here we want to show all the different things that we are doing. So from ad creatives over to could be icons, or it could be social media content, or it could be motion design. And the cool thing here is we are always combining it with actual work that we are doing for our clients. So for example, here, the client Extract from the United States, it took 1 week to do the motion design. We were also doing rebranding and web design for them, and it's a SaaS company. So this is super nice. Also gives trust again. And as you can see here, another CTA. You want to make it super easy for your customers to actually go and book that demo. Next section is about our benefits. So now we are basically saying, okay, you know how it works, but this is why you should buy it. First of all, dedicated expert team. Okay, then we wanted to show the fast results, flexible, scalable, top-notch quality, easy project management, and 100% made for you. All of these things we were basically distilling out of the work that we are doing for our clients every day, and also things that I'm learning in the demo calls. So these are the 6 most important things for our clients, and this is why we are putting them down here. And then we are moving over to another social proof section. Here we are talking about success stories. So on the one side, we are using numbers here to do that, and then we are using videos and testimonials. And in the end, if you have a mix of all of them, it's super good. Obviously, a video testimonial will always be better than a text one. And we are also saying see more, so you can basically learn more about the case studies and the clients that we are working with. Some section that is sometimes seen on the landing page, but not so often, is a comparison one. Normally now everyone would ask themselves, okay, why should I choose Magier instead of freelancers or agencies? This is where we are putting it down just in one view. So it's super easy to understand and condense, or to basically make the decision for yourself. And then FAQ. So there are a lot of questions about what is a design subscription, how does it work, and these kind of things. It doesn't hurt to have all of them in here so that the potential customers can really read through them. And then last but not least, we have another CTA with some fun effects, book a demo, and our work again before we move over to the footer. So this is what a basic landing page looks like. Since we have done the rebranding, the conversion is super good. I hope it gives you some insights on how we are thinking about landing pages. And as I said before, if you want some more inspiration, make sure to get the cheat sheet bundle that I will put into the description below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.